material you downloaded. We need to do the activity. The activity is we are trying to develop a report. This is called as report. This is called as report. This report I want to develop it using data is coming from data sources. Excel is the data source. Excel is the data source. So if Excel directly cannot communicate with the report, actually intermediately we have one more term that is called as data set. So using Excel data source, we are trying to prepare a data set. We are trying to prepare it. Using this data set, we can able to create report. We can create it. So you may have a number of sources you may use to create the data set. In fact, one table may be coming from Excel, one table may be coming from Oracle, one table may be coming from Teradata, doesn't matter. A number of sources are going to useful to create the data set. Even using one data set, you can able to create here a number of reports. You can able to create it. You can create a number of reports. You can able to create it. So this is the one report you created. If you want to create one more report using the same data set, you can able to do that. So anyone ask a question, what is the relation between data source and data set? Data source and data set, then we can say many to one. Many to one. So many data sources are useful to create one data set. Anyone ask a relation between what is the meaning of dataset and report relation? Dataset and report relation. Then we can say this is one to many relation. One to many relation. One to many relation. So now we are clear about here many things are here many data sources are combining to get the one data set. One data set using you can get the many reports you can able to get it. Okay, now we decided to use the Excel source. The Excel source also called as scottdata.xlsx file. Let us go and try to observe where it is available. Let us go and try to see the data inside this one. I am going for the lab data. Inside the lab data, lab 1. Inside the lab 1, there is a file is available called as scottdata.xlsx file is available. Let me double click on this one to understand what is there inside. To understand what is there inside. So I'm trying to open this one from our lab one. This is our GitHub repository we downloaded in the previous activity. Now, if you see this one, let me maximize this. Then let me close this left side, whatever we have it. I closed it. Now you can notice we have first sheet that is called as EMP sheet. In this EMP sheet, we have something called as EMP number 2. Year till year we have it. This total is called as EMP table kind of thing. Now DEPT is available. This is the DEPT. And we have here salary grade is available. Salary grade is a one more sheet. And also sheet 1 and sheet 2 are available here. So total I can say now 5 sheets are available. 5 sheets are available. And in fact, one sheet may have internally n number of tables. Suppose if you take the sheet 2, here we have the A12, C5. If I select it, then go to the design. In the design, you can notice it is a students table. The name of the table is called as students. That means under the sheet 2, we have here students table. And also if you go and try to select this one, I want to J5. Then observe here what is the name it is appearing. Course fees. Course fees is the one more table. And also if you go and try to observe this one, then you can notice it is a GeoVR available. If you want to create one more table in this space, for example, let us say I am creating here one more table. Let us go for table name as, for example, I am saying as product, then number, then we are saying as name, product number and name we are creating. Product number is equal to 1, name is equal to, for example, we are saying as Power BI. Okay, product number is equal to 2, name is equal to, we are saying as, for example, Power Apps. Product number is equal to, we are saying as 3, and we are saying as name is equal to Azure Data Factory. Now, whatever we selected, this area I am selecting, then go to the insert menu. There is an option called as table. Click on this table, then click on OK. Then it will be converted into the table. Provide whatever name you want it. Suppose I am providing the name as products I am providing. Press enter from the keyboard. We entered from the keyboard. Now you can notice if I select this area, it is going to show you it's a products table. If I select this area, it is going to show you it's a geo table. If I select this one, it is going to show you something else. So what I'm trying to say is we are able to create here multiple tables under one sheet. Multiple tables under one sheet. Now in the sheet 2, how many tables we have? Total 4 tables we have it. In the sheet 2, we have here total 4 tables we have it. Okay, now we got the clarity. We have here sheet 2, under sheet 2 we have 4 tables and 3 sheets are total 5 sheets are available. EMP is the one sheet, DEPT is the one sheet, salary is the one sheet. Under the sheet 1, I'm not seeing, yeah, we have some data, okay. Under the sheet 2, we have total 4 tables are available. This is what our source. We are going to use this one as our source. Let me save it and I'm trying to close this one. This one I'm going to use as a source. Now we understand about our source, we understand. About our source, we understand.